So you'll start by opening the drawer you want to adjust. Underneath, there's two orange clamps. You will just squeeze the drawer side on those clamps and pull straight out. Then you need a number 2 square drive bit. We use a drill. You can use a screwdriver that will hold a bit. There's one screw on the front of the slide. You'll need the slide closed to access it. And then on the back of the slide, pull the slide slightly open and access the rear screw. Once you remove them, you need to, if you want to adjust up or down, just make sure that you utilize the same hole on the front and the rear. So that way the drawer slide is even. And you'll put the screws right back in the same holes in the slide. Just a reverse process from taking them out. Don't forget to do the left and the right slide. Once that's complete, make sure the drawer slides are pushed all the way in. Take your drawer box, make sure that those orange clasps are at the front. You'll see notches in the drawer box. You'll set it all the way flat and push it straight back until you hear it clip in place. Once you hear 2 clips, you're done.